Welcome to the review channel. Today we're going to talk about Sweet Z's bedding. They were nice enough to send me this beautiful sheet set, and I'm going to talk about it and tell you all about my thoughts on this set. Please like, share, subscribe if you like what you're seeing on this channel and want to see more from us. Today I'm here to talk to you about 100% bamboo viscose sheet set. These are from the Sweet Z's company, and they were nice enough to send me this sheet set for me to test and try. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to tell you a little bit about the sheet set and why I was interested in testing these sheets for the Sweet Z's company, and a little bit more about them. These are the king size because that's the size bed that I have, so I wanted to test it on my bed. And this is the sand color, and I went with sand because this works in my room. They have many different options of colors. So I want to tell you a little bit more about the sheet set. So before we open the package and we put these on the bed and we talk about the quality, I just want to tell you a little bit of the stats about these sheets. These are 400 thread count sateen weave, and they are softer than 1,000 count Egyptian cotton, which is impressive. I already told you they were 100% viscose, organically grown bamboo, which I love anything organic. They have balanced temperature regulation, and it's a really, really great sheet set if you are a hot sleeper. They have 15-inch deep pockets, which will fit corners and help the sheets stay tight on the bed. And that is so important to me because I have tried so many sheet sets and they just don't tuck under my bed, and they're pulling up, and I'm adjusting them every day. So we're going to see how these stand to the test. They are great. You can use them if a baby's in the bed, it's safe, and it's great for people with sensitive skin because of the organic tea. So that means a lifetime. I'm sorry, it's not limited. So if there's something wrong with the sheets and you need to send them back, you pay nothing. I think that's really a great company. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to open them up, and I want to show you how they come packaged. Open the bag and pull out the sheets. So these are the pillowcases. They're really so soft and nice quality. And what I really love about them, and I've only seen this in very high-end sheets because I really find this to be a quality I look for in sheets. It has this tuck-in pocket that you can put your pillow, and you tuck it inside, and it keeps the pillow secure, and it's a much neater, prettier look on the bed, but it's a very high-end look, and most sheets do not come this way. So in this case, we have 2 king pillowcases and the sheet set. So I'm going to put the sheets on the bed, and then we're going to take a look at them, and I will show you how it looks on the bed and how they feel. So now the sheet is on my bed. Remember, it's the king size in the sand color. Now I want to tell you about these 100% viscose bamboo sheets. First thing I have to say is it was the easiest set of sheets to put on my bed that I have ever done. And I want to tell you that that's very true because I am constantly fighting. One corner never fits underneath. You have to take a look here. You're not going to believe. This just literally went under, and there's so much room. It is tucked under so far, and it fits absolutely perfect. The only thing I didn't do was iron them. And I just wanted to tell you that for purposes of this video, if you want to iron them and that's something that you're into, that's great. I really don't care. I'm more interested in a good night's sleep and a soft, this is so soft, I cannot believe. It feels like silk, but it isn't. So you're not gonna slide, you're not gonna feel, it's just a really soft, soothing feeling next to your body. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the top sheet on, and I'm just gonna show you how that looks. I typically don't use a top sheet. All sheet sets come with them, so I want to just show you how this looks on the bed. I've got the flat sheet on the bed, and I just want to show you how it looks. Like I said, do not use a flat sheet, but look, it's generously sized. You know, if you tuck it in, you tuck it in, but I just wanted to show you from the floor how really, really nice and large it is. It's finished beautifully, it's stitched in, and it's really like a nice finish. So when you do have it on your bed, if you want this to show, you're gonna see how nicely done in the same material as the sheets. They're just really high quality. I'm just so impressed with what I've got here. And their warranty, Sweet Z warranty is awesome. 50 days and you can return it. It's lifetime warranty with no cost to you for replacement. So what I'm going to do is I just wanted to show you how this looks. Again, this is tucked in, not ironed, just so you know, but really far tucked in. You are not going to have any trouble with this pulling up. And to me, that's a game changer for a sheet set. I've got the pillowcase on, the king size pillow, and I just want to show you, again, everything is the same color, same quality, organic viscose, and see how this is tucked in, how beautifully this is. You don't see my pillow. You can't tell that I've got this white pillow on here. It just looks beautiful on the bed, and you can see how nice this is going to be. It's going to be really beautiful. It's a gorgeous set. When you put your comforter or anything that you do to decorate your bed on, this is just going to enhance it and make it look really high-end and beautiful. And of course, a great night's sleep is not only the bonus, but the best part of the whole thing. Thanks again, Sweet Z's, for sending me this beautiful sheet set. Please follow for more. Thanks for watching and have a great day.